Miami Public Adjusters maximize your insurance payout. Your home isn't just a place where you live. It's one of the most significant investments you'll ever make. At Alconero Associates Public Adjusters, we understand the immense value your home holds, both financially and emotionally. When disaster strikes, your priority is to restore your life to normal as quickly as possible. However, dealing with insurance companies can be a daunting and stressful process. This is where we come in. Our mission is to stand by your side and ensure that your investment is protected and that you receive the compensation you deserve. Why you need a public adjuster. Insurance companies have their own adjusters whose primary job is to minimize the payout on claims. Their loyalty lies with the insurer, not with you, the policyholder. This often leads to settlements that are far less than what is needed to fully repair or replace your damaged property. Alconero Associates Public Adjusters work exclusively for you, not the insurance company. Our goal is to ensure that your claim is handled fairly and that you receive the maximum compensation to which you are entitled. When you hire us, you're not just getting an adjuster, you're getting a dedicated advocate who will thoroughly evaluate the damages, meticulously document every detail, and negotiate with the insurance company on your behalf. We are trained professionals who understand the complexities of insurance policies, and we leverage this knowledge to fight for your rights. Protecting your investment. Your home is more than just a building. It's where memories are made and where you and your family feel safe. Protecting this sanctuary is essential, especially when the unexpected happens. Whether it's a fire, a hurricane, or another type of disaster, the aftermath can be overwhelming. At Alconero Associates, we take on the burden of dealing with the insurance claim process so you can focus on what matters most, rebuilding your life.